Today, I am reviewing HP Victus 15 gaming laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a powerful gaming laptop that can handle modern titles with ease while also keeping you productive for work and school, the HP Victus 15 gaming laptop is an impressive contender. This laptop features a 15.6-inch Full HD display with a 144Hz refresh rate, delivering crisp visuals and smooth gameplay that are essential for competitive gaming. Whether you're diving into fast-paced shooters or exploring expansive open-world games, the 144Hz panel ensures every movement is fluid and responsive, giving you a noticeable edge in reaction time and visual clarity. Under the hood, the HP Victus 15 is powered by the AMD Ryzen 5 7535HS processor, offering 6 cores and 12 threads. With a base clock of 3.3 GHz and a max boost up to 4.55 GHz, it provides robust performance for gaming, streaming, and multitasking. Paired with 16 GB of DDR5 RAM, you can run multiple applications and browser tabs simultaneously without noticeable slowdowns. This ensures seamless transitions between gaming, streaming, content creation, or even heavy multitasking workflows. The storage solution on this laptop is a 512 GB PCIe M.2 SSD, which provides fast boot times and quick load speeds. You'll spend less time waiting and more time immersed in your games or work. The laptop's NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2050 GPU with 4 GB GDDR6 memory handles modern games at medium to high settings with impressive frame rates, supporting ray tracing features in compatible titles for stunning lighting and realistic reflections. This GPU also makes it possible to edit videos or work on graphics-intensive projects without struggle. In terms of design, the HP Victus 15 has a sleek silver chassis with a backlit keyboard, making it both stylish and functional, even in low-light environments. The keyboard is comfortable for long gaming sessions or typing marathons, and the inclusion of a numeric keypad adds extra convenience for productivity tasks. Connectivity is comprehensive, with USB Type-A, USB Type-C, HDMI 2.1, Ethernet, headphone/microphone combo, as well as Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth support, making it easy to connect all your peripherals, monitors, and networks without issues. The display is anti-glare, reducing reflections and making it easier to play or work for extended periods. The laptop comes pre-installed with Windows 11 Home, which offers a modern interface with improved window management, better virtual desktop support, and enhanced gaming features like Auto HDR and direct storage compatibility. The HP Victus 15 also focuses on thermal performance, ensuring the laptop stays cool during extended gaming sessions, and its 52.5 watt-hour battery provides respectable battery life for on-the-go work or casual gaming, though heavy gaming will naturally drain it faster. Overall, the HP Victus 15 gaming laptop is an excellent choice for gamers who want a balance of performance, portability, and price. With its fast Ryzen processor, capable RTX 2050 graphics, high refresh rate display, and sleek, ergonomic design, it's ready for both high-quality gaming and productive workflows. Whether you're a student, a professional, or a gamer looking for a reliable machine that doesn't break the bank, this laptop delivers impressive value and performance in 2025.